I would like to draw your attention for a while. Dear children, this school is your weak second home. So in order to remain happy, maintain happiness in the big home, family, we all are supposed to be very clear about the rule and regulations, system as a whole of the big family. So we do have the system, and we play a vital role to maintain the system together, because together we can do more. Together we can achieve more. Here we have patrons, founders, we have the different leaders here. We call them academic leaders, ECA leaders, and many more. All of them play a vital role to maintain everything in this big family, dear children. So our big family has been known as a very special family, Puspasadan. Everywhere, whoever talks about Puspasadan, whoever thinks about Puspasadan, whoever acts about Puspasadan, we proudly say that we are Puspasadinian and this is our home. So, for maintaining this, dear children, may I draw attention, please? One thing I would like to request you, everyone is leader here. And whoever I call right now, please speak like me, I'm speaking right now. If you are leader, you come here and then expose yourself as a capable leader, my dear children. So everyone, are you ready to come here? I may call you, we can begin in that way as well, my dear children. And I'm very happy that you all are better leader than me. But I'm here responsible to just work as catalyst. I'm telling about the works, duties of the word leaders of Puspasadan. We different kinds of leaders. Academic leaders, ECA leaders, many more. And especially the leaders from the students, like head boy, head girl, captain, vice captains, representing all the important houses, red, blue, green, yellow. We have 4 houses here. We all come under these 4 houses. Even moderators are also under these 4 houses. That's why we should know our role. We should know our work. We should know our duty. We should know our responsibility to each other in order to maintain very, very good family, big family, Puspasadan family. So this is the day. This is known as the oath-taking ceremony day. You got the idea? So we are going to begin this oath-taking ceremony. Oath-taking is not like simple coming here and promising. This is a kind of agreement done between 3 people together. One, you yourself. Another, the leaders present there at school in the presence of God. It's not like promise. We say, hello, I do this, I do that, but we fail. It's not like that. It is a kind of agreement between you, your leaders, yourself, in the presence of God, so that you never fail to act accordingly. Because it is said, a leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way through action, and shows the way, according to Maxwell. You know that, John Maxwell. Okay? Again, I repeat, a leader is the one who knows the way. He knows what to do. He should be very much clear here as the academic leader here. As the head boy, head girl, captain, vice captain, and later all other are selected as the word, monitors too. You are the leader. That's why the leader should know the way. The way means how he has to go, how he has to walk, what is his responsibility. Not only knowing, the leader goes the way means brings into action. I'm speaking right now, I have to bring those spoken things into action. That's why I should go the way. Not only know the way, the leader goes the way and shows the way to others also. So, explaining about this, I would like to hand over this mic to conduct the program very special way to our dynamic in charge. Everyone's lovely personality. One of the pillars of Pushpa Sadan, one of the very great leaders of Pushpa Sadan, Palsang Lama ma'am, to be here and conduct the program very efficiently, very amazing way. Thank you very much.
Okay, good morning all of you. Yes, today is the day to introduce our newly selected leaders for the year 2082. All together we have 10 leaders who are going to guide you and support you throughout this year. Now, I'm going to introduce them in front of you all. As soon as they come here, please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Now, this year we have selected as the head boy of our Pushpa Sadan school, and he is Samip Khanal. Similarly, head girl of the school, Avani Subedi. The captain of Red House, Srikriti Quinkel. Vice captain of Red House, Anupam Gimire. Captain of Yellow House, Pallavi Joshi. Vice captain of Yellow House, Subhigya Sigdel. Blue House captain, Swetha Acharya. Blue House vice captain, Saswat Pandey. Captain of Greenhouse, Borsa Pokhrel. And the vice captain of Greenhouse, Bijol Maharjan. Okay, once again, all of you put your hands together to welcome them.
Congratulations to the selected leaders of Pushpa Sadan. So, to hand over the slash, cap and badge, I'd like to request our expected founder chairman sir, our Thulo sir, to be here and honor our head boy with the slash, cap and badge. And to honor with cap and slash and badge to our head girl, I'd like to request our admin advisor, Mrs. Manisha Shrestha, to be here. Everyone, please put your hands together for them. Now, I'd like to call the moderators to hand over to put on the slash, badge and cap to the selected captains and vice captains. And before that, students, let me inform you the house moderators of each house, okay? Please listen carefully, listen about your moderators, okay? So, Red House, for this year we have Elisha ma'am, Swarnima ma'am, Anju Aryal ma'am, Pratiksha ma'am, Anju Shrestha ma'am, and Nirmal sir as the moderator of Red House. Red House, did you hear? Did you know about the moderators? Yes? Okay, so among them, I'd like to request Anju Shrestha ma'am and Nirmal sir to be here and honor our selected captains and vice captains. Okay, similarly, for Yellow House, for this year, we have moderators, Junisha ma'am, Srizana Acharya ma'am, Sita Shrestha ma'am, Prashant sir, Sanjita Tandon ma'am, and Gyanu ma'am as the moderator of which house? Which house? Yellow House, yes. Now we have next house. Let me tell the moderators, okay? Sobha ma'am, Indira ma'am, Sajana Darshan ma'am, Pratibha ma'am, Sanisa ma'am, and Sangya ma'am. They are the moderator of Blue House. And lastly, Elina ma'am, Pratishara ma'am, Rosna Bandari ma'am, Dheeraj sir, Rusa ma'am, and Pritam sir. They are the moderator of which house? Which house? Greenhouse, yes. So they are the moderators of Greenhouse for this year, 2082.
I, Samip Khanal of Class 10, the head boy of Puspasadan School, hereby solemnly promise to activate myself in the supervision of overall activities of students and do my best to uplift the standard of our school in all activities. I will strive hard for achieving the school's motto, do the best, be the best. Thank you.
I, Awani Subedi of Class 10, the head girl of Puspasadan School, hereby solemnly promise to activate myself in the supervision of overall activities of students in our school and do my best to enhance the standard of our school in all the activities. I will strive hard to achieve our school's motto, do the best, be the best. Thank you.
I, Swikriti Kwikil, the captain of Rose Red House, hereby solemnly promise that I would ever remain faithful towards my house and do my best to uplift my house in all activities. I will strive hard to realize the house motto, heading towards excellence. Thank you.
I, Anupam Gimire, the Vice Captain of Rose Red House, hereby solemnly promise that I will remain ever faithful towards my house and do my best to uplift my house in all activities. I will strive hard to realize the house motto, heading towards excellence. Thank you.
I, Pallavi Joshi, the captain of Marigold Yellow House, hereby solemnly promise that I will remain ever faithful towards my house and do my best to uplift my house in all activities. I will strive hard to realize the house motto, victory through unity. Thank you.
I, Subiya Sigdal, the Vice Captain of the Marigold Yellow House, hereby solemnly promise that I will remain ever faithful towards my house and do my best to uplift my house in all activities. I will strive hard to realize the house motto, victory through unity. Thank you.
I, Swechha Acharya, the captain of the Lotus Blue House, hereby solemnly promise that I will remain ever faithful towards my house and do my best to uplift my house in all the activities. I will strive hard to realize the house motto, to do the best, to be the best. Thank you.
I, Saswat Pandey, the Vice Captain of the Lotus Blue House, hereby solemnly promise that I will ever remain faithful towards my house and do my best to uplift my house in all the activities. I will strive hard to realize the house motto, to do the best, to be the best. Thank you.
I, Barsha Pokhrel, the captain of Rhododendron Greenhouse, hereby solemnly promise to remain ever faithful towards my house and do the best to uplift my house in all activities. I will strive hard to realize the house motto, March for the glory of the house.
Thank you.
I, Bizal Maharzan, the Vice Captain of Rhododendron Greenhouse, hereby solemnly promise that I will remain ever faithful towards the house and do my best to uplift the house in all activities. I will strive hard to realize the house motto, March for the glory of the house. Thank you.
Now, for the final conclusion of the program, I would like to call Nima sir to be here on the stage.
Good morning, students. So first of all, I want to give them congratulations. Head boy, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, students. So every one of you know very well, for this session, they are selected for head boy, head girl, and all the house member moderators selected them as a captain, house captains and vice captains. Might be they have got some special talent. Because of that, they are being chosen as a head boy, head girl, captains and vice captains of different houses. So once again, from my side and school side, we want to congratulate you. We want to give great congratulations, and we hope they will perform their duty in a very proper way and in every activities with full of spirit. They will participate and lead all their house members and as a whole our school, all the students to move ahead to achieve better achievement. And at the same time, from today, our all house activities will start. So I want to request all the moderators to select the volunteers also from each house, like last year, and we can start to give and manage to provide them the duties for volunteers also. And as we have seen already, we have got the first inter-house competitions there in the calendar in this coming Friday. That is inter-house Nepali and English handwriting competitions. So for this Nepali and English handwriting competitions, which way we were doing last year, same way we are conducting. Before, first of all, I want to request all the moderators from each house to make all the students to write handwriting 2 pages. From there, the best 10 from juniors and seniors to be selected. And that selected students can participate in the handwriting contest in coming this coming Friday. So I want to request this to be managed. But 10 participants to be selected by making all the students to write their handwriting. Just not randomly can be collected. This can be done by today onwards only. So telling these things, I want to say all this organizing committee who are managing this oath-taking ceremony. I want to give thanks to Palsang ma'am, Khushbu ma'am, Chandika ma'am, and all others in charges. And telling these things, I want to conclude today's speech. Thank you. Thank you very much.